That's amazing to think about how long.
So what happened?
Good morning, Pastor. How are you?
Well, good morning, Kevin. Good to talk with you. You know,
There was no equality of punishment.
probably the oldest, largest in the state of Michigan doing what we do, which is
The
care, getting people back into the main, getting their life back, getting off of drugs, becoming productive citizens. We served 130,000 meals last year. Gave 55,000 nights of stay to individuals, mainly. And you know, we're gonna get to that golden. It's just people coming alongside, showing that compassion. So I'm asking that WJR listeners help us with our meal campaign during this time. Of course, we're all thinking about Thanksgiving and getting ready for Thanksgiving.
The civil authority has issued regular monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Michigan at 10:50 a.m. on November 18, 2021, effective until 11:50 p.m. This is a test of the emergency alert system originating from the Michigan State Police State Emergency Operations Center in Lansing. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, toxic material release, nuclear plant incident, widespread phone or power outages, or other state or local emergency that affects your safety, the official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.